Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I am doing a planner spread with this gorgeous artwork from Victoria Thatcher. This is for my birthday week, so I pulled out her birthday theme, and this is so cool. I love this. I guess it's a zebra stripe pattern with the gold, and just really, really cute, guys. Check that out. So I'll of course have a link for her below where you can download this free printable planner sticker kit. And this is the stickers that I made from her kit. I added in the weekend. And this is for the week of February 24th through March 1st. But of course you can use it for your birthday week or whenever you'd like. And if you want to see how this turns out and plan along with me, then stick around. Get your planner and let's have some fun. Okay guys, so as I said, I am using the Victoria Thatcher Birthday Girl planner sticker kit, and this is what the artwork looks like. These are the stickers that I made. I just printed full sheets, and I found this is going to go so cool together with it, I hope. It's sort of a duct tape. This is from Dollar Tree, and I got it probably a couple years ago, so it's kind of like washi, but it's truly the material is almost like a duct tape. It's pretty thick. So I'm going to try and work with this and see what happens. And I'm going to turn on some music, grab a drink, and get started. So pull out your planner, download these free stickers, and plan along with me, and let's see what we can do. guys, so this is it. What do you think? This is my finished layout before the pen. I will add in my meal plan here and maybe some birthday activities here. And that's pretty much it. I think it's adorable. I did leave the purple background in. I don't think it clashes. I kind of wish maybe it was more white, but that's just too much to cover up. So a lot of the layouts, I just have to deal with that with this particular planner. But I think the stickers themselves are gorgeous. I think the layout I did was lovely. Little bit crowded. I would definitely make these smaller next time. They're a little bit too fat and too long. So I would make my little to-do list dots smaller next time, skinnier and shorter. But yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you played along. I hope you will download these stickers if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up if you'd like. I would really appreciate that. And I will see you in the next video. Remember, always be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye, guys.